Hey everyone, Axe5 here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow story sharing on Instagram. So, let's get started. The first thing is let's go ahead and open our Instagram account, and then we're going to tap on to our profile icon. From here on, we're going to tap on these three lines to get to our settings and activity. And from here on, you're going to scroll down until you see another section that says how others interact with you, sharing, and reuse. So, we're going to tap on that. And right up top here, there should be a section that says, allow people to share your content. And if you want them to share things like post and reels to stories, you're going to turn that setting on. If you want stories and messages, you want to turn that on so they can share your stories and the messages. And then you repost on posts and reels, additional options. You can also turn that setting on. Now with these settings turned on, anyone should be able to share your stories on Instagram. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for Instagram. We'll see you guys next time.